honored guests, teaching staff, PTA officers, board of judges, parents, pupils, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. As the famous song goes, the children are our future. Teach them well and lead them the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride. I, together with the teachers and staff of Pitalo Elementary School, always make sure that the welfare of our young children are well taken care of. I believe that our children